Hi guys, and welcome back to the Taste and Bloom kitchen. My name is Yasmin. Today we're making Kontomire stew or Palava sauce. I'm not going to be adding any eggs to this recipe, so I'll be tempted to call it the Ghana style Nigerian egusi soup. Don't come for me, just wait and watch this recipe till the end. So in my saucepan, which is already on fire, I'm going to be adding some palm oil, and the second saucepan has just water boiling. Okay, I'm adding my onions into the palm oil, and then I'll give this a stir and allow it to fry a bit for about 3 minutes. Now while my onions fry, I'm going to go ahead and cook my kontomire. So in boiling water, I'll add my washed chopped kontomire, cocoyam leaves or taro leaves, whatever you want to call it. Okay, and then I'll give this about 5 minutes. Because the water is hot, you don't need to cook this for a long time. Okay, and then I'll take it off the fire. But back to my stew. Now it's ready, the onions I mean, so I'm going to go in with some blended onions, ginger, garlic and fresh tomatoes. Yesterday I was feeling lazy to blend them separately, so I just added everything into the blender and then blended all the ingredients together. Moving on in my blender, I have some agushi or egusi seeds. Okay, I'm adding a bit of salt and then enough water, and then I'll blend this till smooth, and then I'll set it aside. And when the time is right, I'll add it into my stew base. So in my intro, I said don't come for me when I said that this was Nigerian egusi soup with a Ghanaian twist, because I know that the agushi we both use are totally different. Okay, so please, once again, don't come for me, but bear with me. Okay, my kontomire is ready now. I've taken it out of the hot water. I poured the hot water out and then left it to cool down a bit. And then at this point, I'm adding in my blended agushi or egusi into my stew. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmin. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. While my stew has been left on low heat, let's unwrap some beauty products. So I got this package from Miss Anna. I'll tag her in this video. Okay, she's in Accra, but she sends these things to me in Kumasi. Look at how well wrapped they are. There was no chance these things were going to spill. Okay, I received them, and honestly, I've been using them for about 3 days now, and I am enjoying the products. So please look for her, chase her, and tell her that Yasmin sent you. And oh, I did a new hairstyle, and I said I should show it to you. Okay, but let's go back to the cooking. So my agushi or kontomire stew to be, okay, has been on fire for about 15 minutes on low heat, and I gave it a quick stir, covered again, and gave it another 5 minutes, and then added a bit of salt, because the salt in the agushi that I blended would not be enough for the whole stew. Okay, agushi needs time to cook, so do not fasten the process or hasten the process. Okay, so I did mine about 20 minutes and it was okay. Then I added in my sardines. So at this point, of course, you can use any proteins you like. Okay, but I wanted to keep it simple, so I used just sardines. And then I'm going in with my kontomire. So I give this a mix and then allow this to sit on low heat for about maximum 3 to 5 minutes, and then our stew will be ready. If you've watched the video till this end, I'm super grateful for you. Please give me a thumbs up on the video, and when you're working out, like when you finish watching this video, leave the comments down below and let me know what you feel about this recipe, because I didn't add any eggs. I don't know, is it a thing? Do people like it like that? I don't know, but I loved this recipe. It tasted so good. Realize also I didn't add any artificial seasonings, but this was amazing. So I'm expecting or inspiring you all to try this recipe, because you will not regret it. I had mine with some soft boiled yam, and it was amazing. Until I see you again in another video, thank you so much for joining me today, and as always, keep blooming.